Wayne Rooney. 208 Premier League goals. An absolute legend. But here's the shocker. He never won the Premier League Golden Boot. Can you believe it? Year after year, he was there. Right at the top. 26 goals in 2009-10, 27 in 2011-12. But someone always just edged him out. It's a bizarre footnote in a truly iconic career. The ultimate team player, perhaps. Or just incredibly unlucky timing. What do you think prevented Rooney from getting his hands on that golden boot? Let us know in the comments.